Hello students, this is Vivas Sarkar. You are watching Entertainment and Seriousness All-Rounder YouTubers. I started a course last time, suggestion for CGL Tier 2 aspirants, and I provide every Wednesday and Saturday math classes at 8 p.m. Okay, today I am here with a new class. So if you want to get those videos in time, please subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the new class. Here I am starting class number 5. This class is completely based on data interpretation. You know it very well. Still, what is data interpretation? It is completely based on a table. A table is given and it represents some data, and there will be some questions based on this data, and you have to find the answers of those questions. Okay, here also a table is given, and this table represents the revenue in crores of a company from the sale of 4 products A, B, C and D in 6 years. So there is 4 products A, B, C and D, and here is the chart of selling those products in 6 different years. Then there is a question you have to answer. Okay, what is the question? The number of years in which the revenue of the company from the sale of product D is more than the average revenue from the sale of product A over 6 years. Okay, so you have to find first that the total sale of product A in 6 years. Okay, let's do that. The total sale of product A in 6 years. You have to find it first. Okay, the total sale of product A, that will be 98 plus 94 plus 80 plus 95 plus 110 plus 115. Okay, now we have to add those 6 numbers. If we add those 6 numbers, it will be 592. Now we have to find the average of this. So average will be 592 by 6, because it is the sale of 6 different years. Okay, 2 into 3, 296 into 2, 592. So it will be 296 by 3, that is 98.66 approximately, approx value. Okay, 98.66. Now the question is the number of years in which the revenue of the company from the sale of product D is more than the average revenue of product A. So the average revenue is 98.66. So we have to find in how many years the revenue of product D is more than this value. Okay, so look those data very carefully of product D. In 2012 74, 2013 102, 92, 93, 97, 102 respectively in 6 years. Okay, and here two value 102 and this 102 is more than 98.66. So in 2013 and 2017 the sale of product D is more than the average sale of product A. So the answer will be 2 years. The answer will be 2 years. Okay, clear? Okay, the next one. Here is the next problem. By what percentage is the total revenue of the company from the sale of products A, B and D in 2012 and 2013 more than the total revenue from the sale of product B in 2013 to 2016? We have to find the percentage here. And correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, now we have to find first that the sale of product A, B and D in 2012, and that will be 2012 A, B and D, that is 98, 74, 74, 98, 74, 74, it will be 246, and in 2013 it is 2013 94, 96 and 102, 94, 96 and 102, so it will be 292, and the total of this two value, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 4 13, 3 1, that is 538. So the total sale of products A, B and D in 2012 and 13 is 532. Now we have to find the sale of product B in 2013 to 2016. The sale of product B in 2013 to 2016. Product B from 2013 to 2016, it will be 96 plus 92 plus 84 plus 98. If we add these four numbers, it will be 370. Okay, now the sale of product A, B and D in 2012 and 13, 538, and it is more than this value, by how much? So it will be 538 minus 370, that will be 168. Okay, now I have to find the percentage. So percentage will be 168 by, it is more than 538 is more than 370 by 168, and it respect to 370, so 168 by 370 into 100%, 0 eliminated, so it will be 1680 by 37. Now if we divide 1680 by 37, 4 into 37, 148, 5 into 37, 185, 15.0, 437, 148, 2. For this point, here will be a 0 and another 0. Okay, now 5 into 37, 185, so it will be 45.4%, because here it is given that we have to find the answer by correcting to one decimal place, so 45.4%, so 45.4% will be the answer. Okay, here is the next problem. What is the ratio of the total revenue of the company in 2014 from the sale of all the four products to the total revenue from the sale of product C in 2014 to 17? Product C. Okay, first we have to find in 2014 the total sale of all the four products. So in 2014 the sale of all the four products, right? So 80 plus 92 plus 96 plus 92, the sum of these phone numbers and the sum will be 360. Now we have to find the sale of product C. In 2014 to 2017. Product C 2014 to 2017, that will be 96 plus 88 plus 93 plus 103. If we add these four numbers, it will be 380. 380. Okay. Now we have to find the ratio of these two numbers. So the ratio equal to 360 is to 380. 0 0 eliminated. 2 into 18 36. 2 into 19 38. So it will be 18 is to 19, and it is the answer. 18 is to 19. 18 is to 19. Okay, it is an easy one. Okay, the next one. Okay, here is the next problem. I am starting the last one today. The total revenue of the company from the sale of products B, C and D in 2014. The total sale of B, C and D in 2014, okay, is what percent of the total revenue from the sale of products C and D in 6 years? Okay, now first we have to find in 2014 B plus C plus D. That will be in 2014 B, C and D, that is 92 plus 96 plus 92, that will be 280. Now we have to find C plus D in 6 years. C plus D in 6 years. So we have to add all those 12 digits. Okay, C means 82 plus 98 plus 96 plus 88 plus 93 plus 103, and D 74 plus 102 plus 92 plus 93 plus 97 plus 102. If we add those 6 numbers, it will be 560, and if we add those 6 numbers, it will be 560 also. Then the sum is 1120. Now we have to find that the total sale of products B, C and D in 2014 is what percent of the total revenue from the sale of products C and D in 6 years. So we have to find the percentage of these and these numbers. Okay, so we have to find the percentage here. So the percentage will be 280 in respect to 1120. 280 by 1120 into 100%. 0 0 eliminated. 2 into 5 10. 2 into 56 152 by 2 into 28 56. 2 into 140 by 28 into 5, that is 140. So 5 into 5, that will be 25%. So here 25% is the answer. 25% is the answer. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, I think this class will be very helpful to you to solve the problems from data interpretation. Okay, to get more videos in time and more classes, more important classes for CGL Tier 2. If you want to get those classes in time, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you. That's all for